Namaste. We were talking about the verification of marks. The details have been given in Annexure 2A. So, regarding the Annexure 2A, I was going on explaining about, see the supplementary answer book is there. Check all your questions are checked. Then questions, if not checked, you have to inform CBSE. Then check that the total of all answers mentioned in the left margin in the answer book is correct. Total of marks awarded on various steps as mentioned in the marking scheme. Then check that the marks of each answer given in the left margin in answer books have been correctly posted in the table on the cover page. And check that the total of each row is correct in the table on the right hand side page. Then check the total of right hand side of the column, and if there is no, please note down the information to CBSE. Check that the total of column matches the marks awarded to you as shown in the same as DigiLocker. DigiLocker means the mark sheet. If no mistake, you can decide not to apply or provide information to the CBSE. And here, see the supplementary answers are there. Then question number, which question number has not checked or not evaluated. And the marks written is 3, but when it is written, it is 2 only. So like that, some mistake has been done. Please note down. Then another information you have to give is that the question number, suppose example given here, that if the question number 7 marks awarded is 4, but 3 only mentioned there, please check and correct it. Then 5, totaling erase example, if in row 2 of the table the total mentioned is 36, though it should be 40, please check that. So in the front cover page of the answer book, the columns are there. In the columns, whether correctly posted all marks, because the marks each page that evaluator has to say sometimes some of them will check and that mark will be written on the front side, or after correction some of them used to do. So see that suppose the teacher has checked the 13th question, that 13th question's mark should be written on the front side. 14th question, front side. Suppose one question answer, it is no mark have been awarded, there you have to write 0. Like that it should be carried forward. While carried forward, the mistakes can happen. So that is the thing that whether the posting is done properly or the totaling erase there. In row 2, it is really 40, but when it is written 36 only. Please inform that the sum of right hand side of the column should be 42, but it is 40. Please check and correct. Like that you have to inform. Then for 7th, please inform that any total marks in the answer books are 42, but on the web marks shown are 40. Please check and correct. So like that it is given. And the most important thing is that the question papers are available on the CBSE website. Marking scheme of each set of question paper is also available on the CBSE website. So what the students should take the printout of the marking scheme of the set of question paper supplied to you in the examination. Keep the question paper and marking scheme with you. Yes. Already take the printout of the question paper, which region, what set you got, that one. Take the printout and take the marking scheme also and keep ready for, while you take the photocopy, you can easily go through whether what answers you are written is correct or not, like that. So please evaluate your answer book based on the marking scheme. If you observe a mistake, please clearly mention that in question number 5, marks have not been awarded despite the answer matching the marking scheme, or no marks are awarded even if the answer is similar to the marking scheme. In case you wish to say more, please mention it clearly. Also, if you wish to upload some documents, you may do so. Students need to submit information in such a manner that it can be easily understood and identified so that your request can be addressed appropriately. So really, this way correctly you notice what happened, whether all answers are checked whether sum is missing, what marks written on the right side, that is each answers, what are the points written, and 1 or 2 like 1.5 or zero point 0.5 like the written, it is carried forward on the left hand side of the margin properly, and from the left hand side margin it is properly posted, carried forward, carried, taken and posted on the front page of the answer book, that is correctly written. Each and everyone you correctly check and see that your answers are correct or marks are correct or not. That way you inform CBSE. And one thing is important, if mark decrease or increase, this if you are given for re-evaluation, that re-evaluation mark will be taken into account, not the best mark. If the mark has decreased, that itself will be taken. If mark has increased, that itself will be taken into account. Only through online only you can apply. And once you are applying for one subject, or you want to apply for more subject, at the same time itself you have to apply multi subjects. That is, you have to early itself you have to decide that you are going to apply for one subject or two subjects, like that. So, all the best. While I taken the first part of this, that is video stop. That is why I am taking this and uploading as another video. Sorry for it. Thank you all.